That's the matter. This is a suite room, by the way. This is the purple room. Then we have the curtain here, and here again a standing type balcony.
I see them blue for me and you, and I think to myself, what a wonderful world. What a wonderful world.
Good. This is good. This is mutton gobi. The downka is made nice, na? See the rooms right now. This is the lobby. See the rooms right now. This is the lobby.
It's sweet.
Why am I not focused? This is the washroom. That's the matter. This is a suite room, by the way. Wardrobe. Nice view, na? ये कौन सा रूम है? Premium. This is the premium room. They don't have that in here. The washroom. Washroom. अच्छा, this is of the other hotel. Okay. Cute. Leet you. This is a deluxe room. On the light first on. So this one also doesn't have a washroom. I like the rooms. Too much of light. ये लॉन है?
पूल है उस साइड देखिए.
That side? Okay. So this is a pool view and the lawn. Guys, those were the rooms. My dad works in this hotel as a general manager and they come there. Now only my father is showing us the lawn upstairs.
Stand out. Not how you feel the cold.
Wow, you want us to feel the cold? It is cold now. Dhire dhire increases, na? So we'll see or not see? We are going towards the lawn. So you guys, this is the pool. And हमारी गाड़ी आ चुकी है. That side is the swimming pool. This is how the hotel looks. Okay. What about our luggage? Okay. Another गाड़ी that's come to pick us up and I'm cold.
और एक डालने पे डाल देना। See here also, सामने घर है, बंगलो।
Here's quick room tour of my father's accommodation. This is the door. Then we come on this side. We ignore this monkey. This is the TV. And this is the window balcony. एक छोटू सा balcony है वहाँ पे. And then this is a resort. Resort or bungalow? Papa, resort, bungalow, hotel, what? This is a hotel शायद. And then here we have sofa, the table, the sofa. So this is how the whole room looks. And that's my father in Ganji. This is how the hall looks. Now that nice place is there, no, over there? This place?
हाँ,
है ना?
you can put cupboard over there.
हाँ, cupboard. कुछ nice racks रखे हुए हैं. Then we come to the. Can I please choose? Then we come to the kitchen. There is the platform, the cabinets. Yeah, here only my father stays. So yeah, it is kind of dirty. But my father calls housekeeping every time in 2-3 days. That's the basin. This is the dining table with my father's clothes. And this is the fridge. Papa, what do you have in fridge? Only dudu and bread. And I don't know what is this. पापा का फ्रिज पक्का पापा कुछ वेस्ट नहीं करते रहेंगे जो घर पे आके इतना सारा अंडा इधर भी अंडा था ना नहीं इधर वाला ही अंडा था सीरियस अंडा ओ माय गॉड अंडा का फैक्ट्री एंड देन दिस इज द वॉशरूम विच इज़ इन यूज फिलहाल द अदर बेडरूम ऑल्सो इज इन यूज सो दिस इज एन अदर रूम ओके सो दिस इज द अदर बेडरूम यहाँ पे बेड था दैट वॉज गिवन टू some other stuff and dad के लिए दूसरा bed they're going to get. So this is the mattress for me and Neil today. This is one room. Pinky nice color combination ऐसा लगता है. And this is also wait I'll continue that later. This is also you can stand जितना balcony and this is the main entrance of the building. Is that and then this is the purple room. Let me show you the washroom. So this is the washroom. This is the washroom. Huh? Papa uses. You just hear my father. My father said he uses one for the washroom and the other one for taking bath. Papa, that only was going to be my question. How did you fall in that bathroom when you have a bathroom in your bedroom?
I have a bath in there. Why? Washroom, bathroom. So both bathroom can be used.
Very nice. Papa's making nice use of the 2 BHK flat. This is the other bed. So here my mama papa is going to sleep. जो कि you all sleep there. I will sleep here. Then we have the curtain here and here again a standing type balcony. The front view. How is this room and that room having front view? Okay. Papa, this is not front view or what? This is side view. This is side view.
That is also front view.
हाँ that is also on this side. हाँ okay दोनों भी balconies on this side. Then this is the cupboard. And cupboard में mama found died so mama started shouting at papa. Mama started shouting at my father that you're drinking every day. Like that. Comedy scene happened which we couldn't show you in the start. Now my father is putting curtain with my brother. Bathroom. This is the basin. This is the shower. Then there. The comboti and the jet spray. Now this one is bended because this my dad had slipped here and he fell over there and he got a cut here on his head जिस पे पूरा फूट गया था खून निकल रहा था उनके स्टिचेस हुए अभी हाल ही में. पापा कितना वीक हुआ 1 week 2 week? See my father's stitches. Stitches are come out. There it is. This one was like so that was this room. Pretty spacious and it is Papa. Papa, I'm really saying we'll take a flat here in this building. Papa, nice and this literally स्वर्ण अपना बिल्डिंग से तो अच्छा है पापा अपना बिल्डिंग से तो अच्छा कंस्ट्रक्शन किया है लाइक कबर्ड के लिए जगह है कट्स आर देयर प्रॉपर so all the rooms are different. This is purple color, this is pink color, this is blue color kitchen and this is in brown. I think they have taken inspiration from my mother because if you see in my house also her room ka color is different like they should have not put the blue bus वही एक चीज़ है in the kitchen, but other things are good. Like that blue is too much like bada blue. Anyways, what? Yeah, like you'll see my house. My house is also like that only. Like first room is grey and white. The second room is my and my brother's room is like it has a beige kind of nude color, and one wall is blue, one wall is pink. I'll show you one day. We completely made it. Then the other my mom and dad's room जहाँ पे मैंने दिवाली glam 2019 शायद 20 I guess, yeah 20 sorry 2020 शूट किया था. That room was gold and royal. Golden, yeah, sorry I said gold, right? Yeah, it was golden, theme based, like everything was royal in that room. So yeah, I think that's an inspiration from my mother, all the rooms of different color. So that's it I think for today's vlog. I'm going to sleep, we are tired. कल आना vlog देखने के लिए because tomorrow my father did some जुगाड़. What जुगाड़ you did? Ninja Monster show.
No.
Wow, look at the jugaad of my father. It's not opening. Why is it not opening? Why it's not opening?
And Papa starting this morning.
Wow, Papa, ये खुर्ची would have broken, Papa. You could have stood on the bed and did. Papa ने ये जुगाड़ किया है that and that. It will fall.
No, this was.
We are literally checking. जब से dad has happened ना that accident, we are checking every this Papa क्या बोलते हैं every problematic thing कि ये गिरेगा नहीं. Neil is telling that will fall.
हाँ, become gila and fall. मैं पीछे का. निकला. वो आके कल बुलाऊंगा. ये वैसे भी इसको तो कम.
That is my Jugadu family. Anyways, I think you have seen my whole family together first time in the vlog. Yes, that was my whole family together first time in the vlog. He is just come and पहले बाथरूम में घुस जाता है. पता नहीं बाथरूम से क्या इतना प्यार है. हाँ, didn't take bath first time. Otherwise, my mom is a person who ठंडी लगेगा वहाँ पे. ठीक है, बट नहीं तो फिर वापस बातें लेती थी मम्मा. मेरे मम्मा को बाथरूम बहुत पसंद है. She would have taken again bath. और शिट्टू को वॉश, बट फिर भी बाथरूम में पहले घुसे है, पता नहीं क्यों. और हम लोग बाथरूम से दूर है, पानी को हाथ भी नहीं लगाने का. इट्स सो कोल्ड, सो कोल्ड. We were not feeling cold until Khandala. We were not feeling cold at all. Like when we got down of the train in Lonavala station, तभी तो बस 8 बजे थे. तभी थोड़ा सा कोल्ड लग रहा था, ज़्यादा नहीं. अब भी बहुत ठंडा लग रहा है ब्रो. See, it is very thanda down. Let me keep my leg on your leg. Wow. So my Papa had not told me that we are going to be going to the hotel. They both were looking good. And look at how I was looking. Nice. I'm just bloated. Anyways, tomorrow in the morning. Tomorrow in the morning we are going to go and have breakfast, and also me and Neil are going to go somewhere out, room and come. Mama is going to sleep. हाँ, पूल जाएंगे. पापा दोपहर को थोड़ा तो सन रहेगा ना पूल में जाने. पापा दोपहर को थोड़ा तो पानी ये रहेगा ना ठंडा, टू गो इन द पूल.
किधर?
पूल
फुल ठंडा.
हाँ, पर पूल में जाने के लिए थोड़ा तो दोपहर में सनलाइट भी देना.
नहीं.
But we saw in vlogs people are still going in so much sunny also in Lonavala pool.
That is what you see how you are.
People are going what in the hotel? People are going in the pool?
हाँ, थोड़ा दूर जाता है.
जाते हैं? अच्छा हाँ.
It's died with cold.
Okay, so saw a dead small cockroach over there. Said, see that died with cold करके. So then Papa is like, हाँ मालूम है मेरे cockroach है. And then he asked कि it died because of cold. So my father is like, no, I killed him. मैं भी बोला like, Papa, तो जाते हैं ना लोग. So what time we'll go then? What we'll do tomorrow?
I don't know. Tomorrow you see what you want to do.
Okay, शायद से me and my brother will go and roam outside tomorrow. In the morning, मम्मा तो सोए रहेगा. कल सुबह है ना
मेरा मेडिसिन नहीं खाया मैंने.
मम्मा will be sleeping tomorrow because she's tired. And after that,
किचन कैबिनेट देख लेना.
इन दोपहर का प्लान अभी तक पता नहीं, पर कल का व्लॉग देखने जरूर आना. Oh, and yeah, if you have not, because I forgot to say, if you have not liked this video until now, and if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Turn on the post notification bell. Right beside it, follow me all my social media handles on the screen and link down below. And with that being said, ta-da! Have a good न्यू ईयर नहीं ये तो न्यू ईयर के बाद ही आएगा. ओके दिस इज ऑलरेडी न्यू ईयर प्रॉब्ली. मैंने अब तक दिल्ली के व्लॉग्स ही नहीं डाले तो ये क्या डाल रही हूँ. Our dad is so excited to show us everything because like our dad has been working for the hotel for 1 year now and it is a new hotel. Like he started working here newly. So this branch that they have in Lonavala, the Orchid Lonavala, they have it in Mumbai. You might have been heard at Kamath Group of Hotels. So he's been working here since he's been working here since 1 year. And तब से हम लोग आ नहीं पाए यहाँ पे. So finally we have come here and he's so excited to show us everything of the house. Starting में we wanted, I didn't want to record that actually. I wanted like थोड़ा टाइम में सा dad को दिखने का and everything. He was showing us so excitingly everything. यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे वो है, यहाँ पे ये है, यहाँ पे वो है, सब cute. Okay, and today when we went to the restaurant of my dad's hotel, खाना खाने, so we directly went over there. Okay, we freshened up. We went there and we went to the restaurant and had food. So everyone over there, like the pura staff and everything, because obviously GM's children and wife and everyone is coming, so they get little nervous and they want to put the best out there. So everyone was looking at the waiter and everything. Everyone was looking at us. Har dish ke baad the main manager, restaurant manager, was coming to us and asking us ki how is the malai tikka, ma'am? How is malai tikka, sir? How is malai tikka, ma'am? Then the other thing was what? I forgot. How is prawn? How is this? How is that? After every recipe, So yeah, and we have been to many hotels and everything, but when you come to a hotel or to a place where your family member, friend or your close person works at, तो वहाँ पे थोड़ा nervousness लगता है because you know that people are looking at you, so they want to see how is their family and everything, and also like here we are like GM's children and GM's wife and everything. We are still coming here. GM's children, GM's wife and everything. So they were very this to see us and we were feeling so awkward. When my brother is like, why you and I'm not able to talk today? Why you and mama are feeling awkward? Because me and my mom is like complete क्या बोलते हैं extroverts, एकदम बिंदास, एकदम कुछ फर्क नहीं पड़ने वाला. My brother and my dad is like that awkward, but we are not. So we were also feeling awkward today. You're not awkward? You and papa? I was just thoda sa nervous today. That is not me. I was nervous today. It's like they were looking at us while eating. Okay? First of all, if someone is looking at you, you are nervous. Throughout someone is okay. Secondly, you're eating. You don't know like कुछ गिरेगा कुछ होगा. इससे ही एक बार फोक गिरा, एक बार बटर नाइफ गिरा. बटर नाइफ तो गिर ही गया, like उसके पैंट पे, बट फोक भी गिरा उससे. So ऐसा like कुछ ना कुछ होता ही है. And then when you're eating, like you try to take a big bite, like and someone is just looking at you constantly, like कुछ भी हमारा खत्म हो रहा था ना, हमारे बोलने से पहले only they were getting it for us. Like अगर सूप खत्म हो गया तो हम लोग का बोलने से पहले only they cleaned it up and got another thing. ऐसा पानी खत्म हुआ, खुद ही आते हैं खुद ही डाल रहे हैं. Like another hotel you have to call them or something like that, but here it was like this कि we were there, that's why they were doing it. So वो बहुत nervousness feel हो रहा था. That's it. And what you want to say anything? We didn't explore the hotel much today. We just saw the rooms. We saw a game zone down. We saw the reception. We saw the restaurant. One restaurant. So we didn't see much. Tomorrow we'll be going outside. पता नहीं किधर. And that time we'll be seeing. Hotel भी जाएंगे swimming करने के लिए. But before that we're going outside also. Papa said we'll go some B1.
Why?
घूमने.
Where?
Don't know. Papa said there's some park or something you can say. Dam.
Dam of mine, Mama.
No, we have to go climbing up. Papa said पता नहीं मम्मा will come ना, so we have to go climbing up. हाँ. पता नहीं. Anyways तो कल हम लोग किधर जा रहे रहेंगे. Keep watching the video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, guys. वो लाइट बंद करके सोने का था, ठीक है? And that was the dim light that we had. वो एक डिम लाइट उसको ऑन करके सोने का था और लाइट बंद करके सोने का था, ठीक है. और अभी मेरे को बोलता है ये साइड पे क्यों टर्न होकर सो रही है और ब्लैंकेट क्यों मुँह पे लेके सो रही है, ब्लैंकेट तो नीचे डाल. फिर मैं बोला मेरे को ये साइड पे नींद आती है, तो बोलते हैं. फिर मेरे को बोलते तू इतना दूर क्यों गई है, थोड़ा पास आके सो. सी ना, हाँ डरपोक डली. और बोल रहा था मेरे को कि और पहले ना एक मैट्रेस वो साइड पे था, एज यू गाइस माइट हैव बीन सीन. वन मैट्रेस वाज ऑन दैट साइड, वन मैट्रेस वाज ऑन दिस साइड, दैट वन. ओके, ही वाज गोइंग टू स्लीप फार फ्रॉम मी. ये सब पटेली मारता और फिर ऐसा. व्हाई यू लुकिंग सो क्यूट?
Who told you to put the mattress here?
You told.
अच्छा.
हाँ, I said because I thought you will get scared. That's why.
I will get scared.
Obviously, Neil. Obviously, you want me to. I can sleep alone, bro. I slept alone in Delhi. I slept alone in Dubai. I slept so many places alone. He's always scared. So that room पे तो मम्मा पापा is there. Sleep alone in this room.
But only you can come and sleep in the bed.
There's no space in
Please,
there.
there is a
You sleep here and show alone.
Huh?
Sleep here and alone and
So I
show.
told you I get scared. You are not able. You are not able.
और पटेली पटेली. Good night, you guys. Oh, ouch, ouch, ouch. Knee.
What hours is it?
My back. That's. I am insane human being.
No, don't.
Don't. मेरा back cover. Stop it. You're mad. Yes, I have some superpowers. मेरे को मारने से आवाज आता धूम धूम पूरा दुनिया हिलने लगता है. देखा क्या आवाज आ रही है. ये रास्ता से मारते दिल फटका. चलो यू गाइस, बाय बाय, गुड नाइट. Is the food of the day for breakfast. We are going right now.
Koi? Very koi?